What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making another Thanksgiving leftovers recipe. Got some turkey that we're going to throw into some fried rice. It's going to be amazing. I know everyone in the house is going to love it tonight. We're going to be giving this griddle away. I'll be putting that somewhere in the video. I don't know where. And yeah, we're going to start off with some veggies. Oh man, this turkey looks so good. Everything looks good. Let's dive in. So we got the griddle up to about 350 right now, so let's get some oil down. I got a pretty decent amount of veggies that I'm going to throw on here, so let's get this oil spread around. We're using up the whole griddle today. Alright, so right here we got just a bunch of goodness. What do we got here? Carrots, water chestnuts, broccoli. What else is in here? Some celery's in here. Pretty much just cleaning out the fridge. If you watch my channel, you know I like to use the fried rice as an opportunity to clean the fridge out, get rid of them veggies that are going to go bad. So yeah, let's just let this stuff cook up. I want this broccoli all up in here. And I got some onion too that I'm going to throw on, but I don't need to throw that on yet, because that'll just overcook and shrivel up and all that stuff. So I got some onion right here and the whites from some scallions I'm going to throw in there. Throw some green onion in at the end. Ooh, man, my mouth is watering. So we got all the veggies in here now. I'm going to throw some pepper in. I'm not going to put no salt because we got a decent amount of salt that's already on the turkey, and there's a lot of sodium in the sauce, which down below in the description is all the stuff that I put in the sauce. This sauce is killer, I'm telling you. Gotta try it. So let's just mix this stuff up. I'm going to get this turkey warming up too. So let's just move this over to the side a little bit. We're gonna work right over here. I'm gonna throw a little butter in with the turkey, just to make sure it doesn't dry out or nothing. This is a deep fried turkey. It was my first time ever deep frying a turkey, and it turned out really good. Really, really good. I'm gonna put a little oil down and some butter. Butter for the turkey. There we go. Get back in here. Alright. Let's just dump this stuff in. And this is about, I don't know, what do you think, 2.5 cups, roughly? Get that in there. This stuff turned up, everything's fully cooked, just warming it up. Forgot to mention, all my burners are on like a medium, and it's at like 400 right now. So boom, let's just let this stuff go. Alright, just letting it go now. Alright, gonna throw some minced garlic in here. This is a tablespoon, minced garlic. Smelling good. Go ahead and let that cook up for a hot second. We're gonna mix, turkey with the veggies. Ooh, man, we're just about there, y'all. All right, let's get going on this rice now. I got everything over here. We're gonna need a decent amount of oil. This is 4 cups. Well, it was 4 cups of uncooked rice that I threw in the Instapot. Cooked that stuff up. And I did that the night before. You know that's how I do it, always the night before. And now this is what we got. I mean, that's a lot of rice. Boom. Chop it on up. You cook it the night before, You get it in put it out on a baking sheet, put it in the fridge, let it steam, or not steam out, but get rid of all that moisture. Just gonna keep warming it up. It's in all these chunks right now. It'll start to break up. Oh. We'll bring you back in just a hot second when we're ready to combine some stuff. All right, so the rice is going good. I did throw a little bit more oil in there and the rest of the butter that I had out here. So just to help warm it up, get that stuff broken up. Let's just combine all this stuff now. The rice isn't fully done yet, but let's just let it cook together for a hot second. This smells amazing. You guys just don't know. And my wife did try a little piece of the turkey. She said it didn't dry out at all. Everything was good. Almost doesn't even taste like turkey anymore, she said, because of the garlic and everything that we added to it. But it's gonna be good. All right, let's just mix all this stuff together. Man, I probably could have used some more carrots, some more broccoli. Oh well, we're good. This sauce is what makes it. All right, I almost forgot. Got some eggs. Last time I made a fried rice video, I totally forgot to put some eggs in there. Definitely got called out on that. So I'm just gonna move this stuff over. I currently have my burners. These three are low. This one is off over here. So boom, let's just move. Just move this stuff over. Give me some room. Make these eggs real quick. Boom. All right, and you know what? What I'll do, I'll play the clip of me picking the winner for the griddle right now. So while I'm making these eggs, you guys watch that. Everything? Anyways. All right, so we got everyone's name entered in here. I'm just gonna, this is random.org. I'm just gonna push randomize. And the winner is Office Power User. So there you go. That's the winner. Appreciate everyone who jumped in. All right, so there you have it. There's the winner of your griddle. I appreciate everybody that entered. That was the most people that I've ever had enter so far in one of my giveaways. So that was cool. So yeah, let's just cook these eggs up. All right, so there we go on the eggs. Now I know I should put more than that in there, but my daughter does not like it. So I can't steer away from that. All right, so let's get this stuff back over here. Man, there's so many good smells coming off this. Ooh, buddy. Still a couple more little chunks. That's fine. All right, let's get this sauce in here. Now here's the sauce. I do make a lot of sauce because we love some sauce. Now I got everything in the description below of what I use. And this is by far everyone's favorite, so there we go. There it is, y'all. There it is. Whew, man, this looks so good. It smells delicious. All right. Now let's dish this up. All right, let's dive into this. Some turkey. Definitely want some of this. Amazing. That turkey's good. Got a hint of that garlic. Veggies have a nice little bite to them. It was delicious. I'm gonna get into my dinner. Appreciate y'all coming along. Thanks for all the people who entered the contest. I don't know, next year, maybe sometime we'll do one again. Maybe I'll give away a 36-inch, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I appreciate everybody coming along. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.